Hi friends, in this video I am going to share you 3 easy and healthy recipes for kids. Almond banana shake. Ingredients: almonds 10, small banana 2, milk 1 cup, Horlicks 2 teaspoon, cardamom powder a quarter teaspoon, sugar as per taste, ice cubes 2, peanuts 2 teaspoon. Cooking method: blend all items together using a mixie. The shake is ready. Next, green gram poha recipe. Ingredients: cooked green gram 1 cup, grated coconut half cup, grated jaggery 2, poha 3 by 4 cup, cardamom powder a quarter teaspoon. Cooking method: mix all items together. Next, vegetable Seekh kebab. Ingredients: boiled and mashed potatoes 2, grated vegetables 1 cup, gram flour to make a dough, thinly sliced big onion 1, ginger thinly chopped 1 teaspoon, garlic thinly sliced 4 cloves, chili powder half teaspoon, coriander powder half teaspoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon, salt as to taste. Cooking method: combine all ingredients together and make a dough. Make kebab shaped balls and grill them or cook them in microwave oven. Thank you.